morning children. How are you all? What are you doing now? Playing nicely. Did you have breakfast today? What's your breakfast? Idli, dosa, chapati, puri. So many items you are telling. Okay, here I have some pictures for you. Can you identify them? What is this? Dosa. Good. This one? Idli. This one? Samosa. This one? Rice. This one? Vada. This one? Roti. Chapati. Okay. This one? Sweet. Laddu. Your favorite. This one? Semia. Payasam. Parvanam. Oh, so many names you are telling. Okay. This one? Your most favorite food, ice cream. Okay. So, are you all ready to eat all these items? If anybody not? No. Everybody is interested in eating, right? Good. If you are eating good, you will be healthy, right? Okay. Tell me first, what is your favorite food item? Some are saying laddu. Some are saying payasam. Okay, whatever I displayed, you are telling them. You don't have any other? Yeah, chicken biryani. Very good. Pani puri. Okay. So many items you are telling. So you may have different type of favorite food, favorite dishes, right? When we go to restaurant, what do we order? The general food. What do we eat daily? The same. Do we order in the restaurant also? No, we order different things. Like chili chicken, right? Spring rolls. So many are telling. Okay, so many bamboo chicken also some are saying. So mostly chicken favorites are there here. Okay, whatever. These are all our favorite food. And what are our basic needs? Our basic needs. Food. Clothing. Shelter. These three are our basic needs. These three are our basic needs. In these, today we are going to discuss about food. Our food. Our food. See, these are primary needs for each and every person, every human. Food, clothing, shelter. And first one is food. Without food, we cannot live, right? And clothing, shelter also important. So today we discuss about food. Our food. What is our food? In some states they eat rice, like Andhra Pradesh. We people eat rice. In Rajasthan they eat rotis. In Tamil Nadu they eat sambar idli, like that. So different state people they eat different types of food. So whatever, we have so many dishes in our surroundings in India, mostly so many special items we used to eat. Okay. While watching all these, we think of the item, the dish, how it is prepared, how delicious it is. This is my favorite food, this is my favorite chocolate, like this we say. But if anybody asks you, what is your favorite food? Somebody said chicken biryani, no? So, if I ask how it is prepared, how it is have been cooked, you can't answer. You just ask your neighbor or the people who is sitting beside you, ask what is their favorite food. They say some food items. Gather the list of food items, whatever favorite dishes they are saying, note down, and ask them how it is being prepared, how it is prepared. Some may be answered, some cannot, some may not be answered. So, the people they have favorite dishes but they don't know how it is cooked, how it is being prepared, right? So, we should know about the item, how it is prepared, or the food things, how it is prepared, how it is cooked, what are required things to prepare a food. For example, the easiest thing I will ask you, do you know how to make a tea? Making tea, do you know children? You just came from 5th class to 6th class. So you are around 10 and 11 years old. So you must know about making tea, because tea is a daily drink every day your parents they may have. So you might have noticed that while your mother preparing or your grandmother preparing, you might have watched. Do you know how to make? Don't know? If you don't know, today ask your mom how it is to be prepared. Okay? Then tell me what are the things needed. At least can you tell me what are the required things, required food materials to prepare that tea? Firstly, milk. Very good. Second one, tea powder. Good. Third, enough. With milk and tea powder enough. Sugar. We need sugar also, right? So with these three we can make. Some people they add water, so you can have water. If it is a ginger tea, you can add ginger. If it is a ilachi tea, you can add ilachi. So all these you can make. If you know making of tea, you can make different types of teas also. Okay, whatever. So first we have to note down that required material to make a food, item. Required materials. Okay, the required materials which are used to prepare a food item is called ingredient. These are called ingredients. All of you say ingredients. Okay, the required food material or the required things, the required materials which are used to prepare a food item are called ingredients. Generally we hear in channels like cooking channels, we may observe that they used to tell some ingredients. So what are ingredients are used in this? They used to tell. So we may have noticed that we do have some ingredients. So if you ask your mother to prepare some chicken biryani, what will you ask first? Mommy, I want chicken biryani. Please prepare for me a chicken biryani. You simply send, you go out. But your mother, she has to collect all the things what are required for the biryani. Rice, oil, ghee, some biryani related things. All these she has to collect. She must collect all those. Then she would prepare. So without all these things, can she say a proper rice or a simple rice, it is a biryani? No, you won't accept it. Mom, it is not a biryani, it is just a rice. So we need some ingredients to prepare some food. So for that, before that, in one activity, first activity is given to you. First, collect all the favorite food items in your neighborhood or in your family. We are all in lockdown, right? So just ask your parents or your sister, brother, whatever people are living in your family, just ask them and make a list. Name and their favorite food. Okay? For example, mom, mother, her favorite food. Father, favorite food. Like that. And beside that, for example, your mom said that some pulihora, lemon rice. Okay? If she says pulihora, lemon rice. So what are the required things for that? You have to collect that list also. Okay? Like that. Some maybe your father said that payasam. What are the required things for that? That ingredients. What is that name? Ingredients we have to collect. Like that for your younger sister or younger brother or elder sister or elder brother, for your grandparents or for your cousins. You may call and you may ask, or in your surroundings. So all these, just make a list out. Okay? So what is their favorite food and what are the ingredients are required for that. Okay? Then you may have an idea about that food items, and in these foods what these many things are used, you will wonder. Because to prepare a food, it's not so easy to make it simple. It requires so many food items, so many ingredients. Okay? So for that also, we need many things to prepare a food. We need many things to prepare a food. For example, I told you already, making tea where is the source of milk? What is the source of milk? What is the source of milk? Animals, that is cow, goat or buffalo, right? Cow, goat or buffalo. Tea powder we get from plants. Sugar also from plants. See the behind of cooking. Wow, it is a lengthy story, right? There is a long story behind cooking. Cooking is not simple to taste it and it's not good. Simply we taste it and we say, Mom, this curry is not nice, I don't want. But see how hardly the mother is preparing and how hardly we are getting all these ingredients. So it is a big story. If you have observed, you will wonder. Milk we get from animals, tea powder from plants and also sugar from plants. So to get all these, we need so many things in our surroundings. Okay, I'll give you a list of things that you have to collect them. You have to notice that whether they are from plants or from animals or something else. Can you notice that? Shall I write here that list? I'll give you a list for your task like homework. You may collect it. How they are gathered or from where we are getting or where we are obtaining all these things. You might have noticed. Make a list about that and identify from where we are getting all those things. Okay. First one. Ingredients. P. P means plants or A. Animals or something else. Not from plants, not from animals, but from something else. Next. Name of plant. Name of plant or animal. Okay. These you have to identify. Just I'll give list of ingredients you may collect about them. First one is cooking oil. Cooking oil. Do you know cooking oil? Yes. Second one is honey. Second one is honey. Third one is chips. Your favorite food. What we banned in our school, right? Chips. Third one, turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. Fifth one, salt, which is very essential in food. Salt. Sixth one, duck. Sixth one, duck. Seventh one, meat. Seventh one, meat. Eighth one, rice. Eighth one, rice. Ninth one, eggs. Ninth one, eggs. And 10th one, peanuts. 10th one is peanuts. Will you fill this table, Nana? What you have to notice? Cooking oil. From where we are obtaining cooking oil, that we have to mention here. P for, shall I write here? P represents plants. A represents animal. And E represents something else. Something else, which is not from plants, not from animals, but something else. Okay? So, can you identify like that? You have to write that cooking oil. If it is from plants, means write P. If it is from animal, write A. Okay, like that. And name of that plant or animal. If it is, for example, from plant, you have to write that name of the plant. Some oils we get from animals also. Okay, so you may have noticed like that. If you don't know, ask your elders and gather information. So this is your 3 activities of your lesson, and we have understood that what is our favorite food, how it had been coming up, that means how it is prepared, how we are obtaining that favorite food, why it is so delicious, always we observed, and our basic needs, food, shelter and clothing, about that we understood. And how does all these food help us? Do you know how does food help us? Food helps us to grow. Why do we eat food? What for we are all eating food? Do you know what for we are eating? Because it gives us energy. With that energy we are growing. So food helps us to grow, and all these things you may have noticed that from your surroundings, even from plants, and ask your elders, discuss with your parents how far they are helping us. Okay children, will you do all this? Okay. Thank you.